Hello guys, it's Adam, the physiotherapist. Let's dive into episode 4 of this season. This time I have 3 interesting exercises for you in a standing position. We start with an exercise called hip hinge. This means bending your hips joints while keeping your lower back in a neutral position. Try to bend forward without bending or arcing your back. All the movement should happen in your hips. Put your feet straight, your body weight should be spread evenly on both feet. Make sure you don't stand on your heels and don't put your weight on the front part of your feet. Do several of these bends during this 1 minute of exercise. Notice that the knees here are not locked or hyperextended. I'm standing on them straight, but they are moving in a soft way. This movement can be used as a regression of the squat. I often talk about these simpler versions of squats with my patients who have pain in their lower back. This movement allows you to use your hip joints and at the same time reduce the work of your lower back and your knees. Now let's move to the second exercise. These are half squats combined with a leg kick to the back. A very nice complete exercise. Everything works here together. Keep your lower back straight, breathe freely, and go down into a squat evenly on both legs. But when coming up, you transfer your body weight to the one leg. The leg that lifts off performs a kick toward your glute. Focus on this detail to keep the exercise high quality. Don't let your knee move forward. That's a common mistake. Keep it aligned with your body, under your hip, and make sure the bending happens only in the knee joint. Now I want to shift our attention to an interesting topic, nutrition. It's so true that what you put into your mouth, what you eat, affects your health. A very common question from patients is, what supplements should I take for my joints? There are indeed many of them, from different companies and manufacturers. My opinion on this topic is that this collagen, this building material, you can easily get from a healthy, balanced diet. This should be enough for your joints to be healthy and to have enough of this building material. Exercise number 3 you may have already seen in the first season. Notice that these exercises affect both of your lower back, upper back and really your whole body. Stand in a comfortable position, feet hip-width apart. Start by looking down and tucking your chin. Then, segment by segment, roll down your neck, upper back, lower back, then your pelvis. And in this way, you go into a full forward bend. Another aspect related to nutrition is hydration. And here it seems to me that quite a lot of people don't take care about this area. What is worse, they are not aware of it. In the next episode, I'll say a bit more on this topic. Maybe you have your own ways or observations on how we can take care of hydration. If so, share it in the comments. And in the next episode, I'll tell you what I think about it. Good job! Thank you very much for today's exercises. See you in the next videos. This was the 4th episode of the Train Against the Pain series. Adam Ostrowski, physiotherapist. Thank you very much.